How to fix iPhone stuck on progress bar during restore, the DFU fix that actually works. So if your iPhone is stuck on this bar after restore and nothing you try works, this is why, and here's how you can actually fix it. Now this usually happens when you try to downgrade iOS. So for example, from a beta or a new version back to an older one. Apple has anti-rollback protection built into the secure enclave, so once you update, you physically cannot go back to an older version. Any tool that tries will get your phone stuck exactly like what I've just shown you. What not to do: don't leave it plugged in for hours hoping it finishes, it won't work. Don't try to drain the battery, it still won't work. And don't keep retrying the same downgrade with third-party tools like 3U tools, etc. You see the error or you see the progress bar get stuck on the screen. Now the real fix is to restore forward, so make sure you download the latest software version or download the latest firmware. So you can go to ipsw.me and download the latest firmware. So you need to have iTunes on Windows computer, or if you have a MacBook, you can use Finder to restore your iPhone. Here you can go to website like ipsw.me, and we want to download the latest version. So look for your iPhone model and then download this latest iOS for your phone and click on the download button. Now we need to put the iPhone into DFU mode so that we can restore the IPSW file. Now to do that, you need to press on the volume up and quickly release, volume down and quickly release, then press and hold on the side button for about 10 seconds. After the phone goes completely black, then you need to press and hold down the volume button for exactly 5 seconds. After, you can let go of the side button here and continue to hold down the volume button for another 10 seconds so that you can put the phone into DFU mode. So let's try it now. Volume up, volume down, then press and hold on the side button for 10 seconds or until the screen goes black. Okay, so once it goes black, you press and hold on the volume down buttons and hold it for around 10 seconds. Okay, so you need to do the sequence correctly. If it's not done correctly, you will see the Apple logos appear here. Okay, so let's try it again. Volume up, volume down, and then side button for 10 seconds. Then we wait for the screen to go black. Now press and hold down the volume down button and hold for around 5 seconds. Now let go of the side button and hold for another 10 seconds. Now again, you need to do it at the exact timing. If the timing is wrong, then it won't work. Now let go of the buttons after 10 seconds. After that, we'll plug the phone into the computer. Now on the computer, now you can see it said iTunes has detected an iPhone in DFU mode. So you must restore this iPhone before you can use it, so that's a good sign. So click on OK, and then there should be a restore iPhone button here. Make sure you select your iPhone from the summary tab. Click on the shift button on the keyboard and then click on restore iPhone. This will allow you to select the firmware file that you have downloaded. So on the computer, wherever you have downloaded the IPSW file, just go into that folder or directory and select that files, and then from there you can follow the on-screen instructions to restore your iPhone, and that's it. Hopefully if you follow the correct instruction, you should be able to fix your iPhone stuck on the progress bar when you're trying to restore it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.